In the last years of the 19th century, our world was invaded by beings immeasurable to our own. They came from Mars. These Martians attacked the British Empire with giant metal fighting machines and killed millions. The only thing that brought them down was our smallest ally, bacteria. Simple, minute bacteria. However, in these last 5 years since the Great War of the Worlds, our scientists have made a breakthrough on how the Martians made armor that could survive entry into our atmosphere in their great cylinders. We believe to construct their cylinders and certain components in their fighting machines and in their heat rays, they used silicon carbonate, a type of silicon metal used that has many different applicabilities, including extreme heat resistance. The lab boys also say it shows high radiation resistance too. In this next part of the video, we will be talking about the covalent bond and how to make silicon carbide. When you bond these two together, you will be left with 3 valence electrons, because both silicon and carbon both have 4 valence electrons, because they are in group 4. However, because of the nature of the octet rule, they usually are found in crystalline structures because they will want to form more and more bonds. They will never only want to form one bond, they will want to keep forming more and more bonds. The reason silicon carbide is polar is because its electronegativity is 0.65, which makes it polar. Now, silicon carbonate is covalent and polar. This is quite strange because it forms a crystalline structure, which is not usually a aspect of a covalent bond, which makes it very good for use in armor. We believe the Martians chose this material specifically because Mars is abundant in silicon and carbon, and because they needed a metal that could survive re-entry into Earth's atmosphere after taking off from the giant space gun at Mars. I firmly believe we should be investing in creating armor and vehicles out of this new material. For if the Martians invade again, we will have a chance for once. This material should be able to survive the blast from their heat rays, and with this, their only weapon besides their great black smoke canisters and their own tentacles will be futile, and we will have the advantage. Not only that, but we can use it to create our own heat rays. The biggest problem with captured Martian tech, besides the armor, is that we can't replicate it. We know what it is and how it works, but now we finally have the ability to. We can coat our own heat rays in this silicon carbide, and they will not overheat and explode in our soldiers' faces. With this, I believe Britain will stand on top of not just the world, but all of the worlds for the coming future.